It's quite exciting. I think it's a new way to bring excitement into Test cricket. So we are all very excited about that. The pink ball I played yesterday. I felt like it swings a lot more compared to the red ball because there's extra lacquer on the ball and it doesn't go away too fast, and the seam holds upright quite a bit. So I think if the pitch has enough help for the bowlers, then the bowlers will be in the game, especially fast bowlers, throughout the course of the test match. I don't quite know how the old ball behaves because with the dew and the lacquer going off, it'll be interesting to see how much the old ball does. But again, I think with the pink ball, the pitch having enough life in it will be a very important factor. In Test cricket, I don't think you can afford to take focus away at all. Not even one session, not even one over. Because with the red ball, you need to be absolutely precise in your focus every game that you play, every ball that you play, every situation that you're in. So our prime focus is tomorrow's the test match starting tomorrow. When the pink ball test arrives, obviously, as I said, we're quite excited about it, but there's always an excitement in the air before any test match when it begins, especially when you go for the toss in the morning and the first session has to start. I think that's a different kind of feeling we all have. So we're all looking forward to that first, and then we'll focus on the Kolkata test after. Well, I hadn't played with the pink ball before, so I was given an opportunity to try it and I wanted to, so that was my mindset behind playing with the pink ball. I think everyone else did it as well because it's just, you require extra concentration to pick the pink ball suddenly when you're playing with the red ball. So I think it was to work on the reflexes a little bit as well, because when you play with the red ball in a net and then you arrive at the pink ball, it's very difficult to pick it up, which can be the case in the game as well. So just to give you a bit of a match scenario and how it might be difficult to pick it early on, so get into that sort of zone was the reason behind it. They're used to playing in similar conditions, so we definitely think that they will know their game plan and they will know what they need to do. We will have to play well to get a result in every test match like we have in the past. So we will not take anything lightly. We will not take any batsman or bowler lightly from Bangladesh. When they play well, they can be a very skillful team, and they have the ability to play some really good cricket. So we will have respect for that, but more than that, we will have belief in our own team. You can always look at things in hindsight and find areas to improve what you can, but Test cricket, there's a very delicate sort of balance. You can't, if you are too defensive with the soft ball, then the opposition knows that you're not trying to take wickets, and by the time the hard ball arrives, they're already set and feeling settled, and you could leak even more runs. So I think the idea is to have a balanced field, maybe in outfields with the softer ball, still keep attacking the batsman, try to take a wicket, even with the soft ball, maybe a couple of wickets, and then when the hard ball arrives, you can be on top again. That's been successful for us. Honestly, after the series that we had against South Africa, it's very difficult to pinpoint what are the things which are alarming that we need to work on. I think we had a pretty complete series. The challenge would be to keep up those standards again and play that kind of cricket again, which I feel the guys are in the frame of mind to do that. They're hungry. Everyone looks really happy, anticipating the test match, excited for it. So I don't think there's much that we need to think of too much. It's just that, as you rightly mentioned before, complacency is one thing that we need to keep away from this team, and as long as the belief is to win games of cricket, that complacency will be on the side.